Humanity celebrates growth. More people, more cities, more energy, more consumption. But growth without maturity is not progress. It is acceleration toward collapse. Every biological system follows the same rule. Growth must eventually give way to regulation. Expansion without control becomes cancer. Civilizations are no different. Earth has reached a stage where growth outpaces governance. Technology advances faster than ethics. Extraction accelerates faster than restoration. Population increases faster than planetary resilience. This imbalance is not accidental, it is structural. We built systems designed to grow indefinitely, inside a finite environment. That contradiction cannot be negotiated away. Maturity is the moment a civilization recognizes limits, not as constraints but as design parameters. A mature civilization does not ask how much more it can take. It asks how long it can last. Earth restoration is not about stopping progress. It is about redefining it. Progress is stability. Progress is continuity. Progress is the ability to hand a functioning world to the next generation. Every civilization that failed on Earth's geological record failed the same way. They consumed faster than they adapted. They expanded faster than they understood. They collapsed before they learned restraint. Humanity is not exempt from physics, ecology, or consequence. Growth without maturity does not lead to the stars. It leads to extinction. The transition from adolescence to civilization requires one decision: to prioritize balance over acceleration, longevity over speed, systems over impulses. Earth does not need humanity to be smaller. It needs humanity to be wiser. And wisdom begins when growth stops being the goal and survival becomes the metric.